society around the world. Three months ago, I hear woman she talking about bullying. She want to TV. She want to attack all around the world Facebook. And I hear again this week she talking about bullying, and another people they're talking about bullying. She was not alone to this week to attack Facebook and to attack Instagram and to attack internet all about bullying. Bullying, Facebook is don't have responsibility to attack them. Instagram, they don't have responsibility to attack them, to attack people. Instagram, Facebook, they have information when you following people. Follow people you know. And when you don't want to follow him, shut him. When you shut him, you are not going to have communication with her to bullying you. These people, they support to attack Facebook, to attack all country about bullying. Them, they're very smart. They're very smart. They want all country to have a challenge. The same challenge. And when you go another country, them they have the teaching. They're teaching about bullying. Actually, the parents, they're teaching our children about bullying. Society, they're teaching children about bullying. Schools, they're teaching about bullying children. How they can solve bullying problem. Now this country, they not teach. They not teach children. Children, they grow up, they don't have any communication with the people to get experience about bullying, to get experience everything. Them, they teach them Cinderella. And when they grow up, they start to want to join the communication, and they don't have experience how they can join the communication. Now these people, they are supported to attack Facebook, Instagram. They're very smart. Them, they want to little bit problem teaching to cause more problem. Why? Bullying, this bullying, they're not talking in the TV about this bullying power. Why? Them, they support this bullying power. And already they want to bring another bullying power to attack all country, to attack Facebook. We have a responsibility. They know when they attack Facebook, they attack all countries about bullying. Bullying, they know how to attack Facebook. We have a responsibility. They know how to attack Instagram, we have responsibility people, we get communication with another to Instagram, we hanganga herself, they start to attack Facebook. This you have a responsibility to teach your society about bullying, to think they can understand what is the meaning of bullying, and to think they can solve them herself bullying problem. They not hanging them herself. Now, you also responsibility to teach your children, to teach your society bullying. You also responsibility to attack, to teach them, and you want to attack Facebook, to want Facebook to be responsibility, and Google to be responsibility, internet to be responsibility, and to want to attack all country, to start to bring, to cause more society problem all countries. You have to understand the enemy. Who is the enemy? This is the people, they're crying, bullying, they talking about bullying. People, they hang them herself. Why is they not talking about this power bullying, how they cause this society problem? Already, they cause the people society distress, and they cause the people society married, killing each other, killing children, killing women, raping, killing women, killing men going in prison. They not talk about this issue. Why them? Already they want to bring about like this, to put again all country to join this all. Now around the world, you have to fighting, to think they no change you. This country, they want to think how they when they support something, all country to support what they want. When they don't want to teach children education, discipline, they want all countries to stop to teach children discipline. And this responsibility the parents to teach her children discipline, and to teach him on this issue about this bullying, and in a society to teach about this issue. Now them, they no teach, they don't want to teach. Why? They know when they teach, they're not going, people, they're going to stop bullying, they're going to stop violence. Them, they need to see people, they have big violence. They don't want to see people, they have big small violence. Already you attack Facebook, you bring them violence, and you bring them bullying, and you bring them to stop them her business. Facebook, they like you in the news. When you talk story in a Facebook, and someone he say this story not true, they can say they attack you to stop your office. don't to stop your news. Now we have to understand, we have to have rights to teach our children discipline and to teach them how they can solve this problem they get. Now you are not going to stop them. You are not going to stop Facebook. Already they're getting a bullying in the street. You are not going to stop Facebook. Facebook, they're not going to be responsibility. Already in a class, they have bullying. You are not solve bullying in a class. Now you're fighting to solve bullying to internet. You are not for stop violence in the street. Now you force Facebook, Google, internet to stop violence in Google. Now we have society. We have to have rights. To have our rights. To be together. We solve. This is a bullying. When we'll be together, we'll talk to each other. Now, these people, they're very smart. They don't want this communication to be, society to have this communication. To have this communication, teaching each other. Them, they want power, them to use the power and to abuse is more. When you meet someone in the street, if they don't like you, you say, how are you? He say, he abuses me. Oh, he find me here. He abuses me. Oh, don't go back there. Don't look him again. Now, they bring another abuses. You have a right to go there. You have a right to looking. Now they're very smart. The enemy with around the world. Them, they no talk about to like this issue.